PVC electrical conduit is commonly used in the inside of buildings. Then is it suitable for outdoor and above ground installations? The answer is yes in some certain conditions. When choosing PVC conduit that is used above ground, 3 factors should be taken into account. UV resistance. Conduits used above ground could expose to sunlight, leading to the color fading, blackness, and a reduced structural integrity. So the conduit you choose should be UV tested. UL-CSA required the conduits have a certain impact strength after a 720, 1080, and 1440 hours UV test. Temperature reading. Outdoor temperature fluctuations can affect the conduit's performance. Above ground PVC conduits should have a temperature reading suitable for the anticipated local climate conditions. Mechanical protection. When installed above ground, PVC conduits may be exposed to physical damage from various sources, such as impact and vandalism, etc. So the conduit should have additional mechanical strength to safeguard the wires. Follow us for more.